Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete conversations on Grok. So if you also want to delete conversations on Grok, this video is as for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grok application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete the conversations on Grok, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find your conversations over here. So simply find the conversation that you want to delete. Once you find it, what you have to do is tap and hold on the conversation. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for delete and rename. So if you want to delete it, simply tap on the option delete. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the conversation will be deleted. If you want to delete all the conversation, you'll have to repeat the same process for all the conversations. After that, the conversation will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete conversations on Grok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.